leaders here in the VI are continuing to warn residents of an alarming number of cases of COVID-19 in St. Thomas. There are currently a total of 126 active cases of COVID all across the territory, with 111 on St. Thomas, 8 on St. Croix, and 7 on St. John. There continues to be an uptick in cases in St. Thomas, where the health department says the cases are among unvaccinated individuals. The surge in St. Thomas, they say, could have been avoided with vaccinations. So the VI government is offering quite the incentive for Virgin Islanders to get a COVID vaccine. Our Ali Born-Vanek has details on that, along with an update on the situation surrounding St. Croix's Limetree Bay Refinery.
Emily, we have several headlines and a lot of news coming out of Government House. First, an update on Limetree Bay. As we shared, Limetree Bay Ventures LLC was dissolved, and that news was first reported by Reuters. The governor says that this was a restructuring move, and that while he adds that Limetree Bay is, quote, in trouble, they do have plans to get back to operations once they get the green light from the EPA.
I think a lot of that restructuring was due to how they're financially structured and things that they did in order to separate the investment from other interests. So, like right now, they're in trouble. I would not be one to say that the refinery is seeing a bit of a trouble now financially. They have these EPA concerns. They're over budgeted. So we're working with them to try to make sure that they can get the refinery back up, but do so in a safe way that protects our residents. But if they can't do it, then they can't do it. But we're trying our best to work with the EPA. We have had a discussion with the region. This shutdown that they had is an extreme action of the EPA. It has only been invoked 11 times in its 50-year history. So we understand the shutdown and we respect that. We want to make sure that Limetree does what they're supposed to do within the 60 days and then return to safe operations, providing jobs and much needed investment in our territory.
And another headline. Governor Bryan says that the territory will be giving out $1 million via a lottery system to those who have been vaccinated in the territory. The plan is to give out $100,000 per week for 10 weeks to residents who have been vaccinated and are residents in the U.S. Virgin Islands.
So if you are already vaccinated, you will automatically be included into the drawing. And if you're not vaccinated, like I said, you have plenty time to go and get vaccinated. So every week, we're going to put everybody's name who had a vaccine into a pool, and randomly it'll spit out one winner. That one winner is going to be the winner of $100,000 every week for 10 weeks until we give away $1 million of funds for encouraging people to be vaccinated.
Again, a lot of news coming out of Government House. The governor also shared concern over a rising COVID rate that we have currently in St. Thomas. We'll keep you posted on all COVID-related news, Limetree Bay, and other topics affecting the territory. In St. Thomas, Ali Born-Vanek, USVI News.
Thank you, Ali. Yes, a shot to win $100,000 for a shot. Sounds like a good deal.